Why do we get diseases? Because our intestines and kidneys are clogged with toxins. Who can remove these toxins from our body? Only aloe vera can do this. Which aloe vera? Aloe vera barbadensis Miller. Now, this is a species that is found to have maximum benefits for human body. Now, who produces Aloe Vera barbadensis Miller? Forever Living Products produces the highest quality aloe vera in the world. What happens when you take the world's #1 aloe vera? You transform from this to this. So, how can you buy this aloe vera? This is not available in retail stores or on Amazon or Flipkart or any websites. Forever Living Products is a network marketing company. That means you can only buy it from distributors like me. Why did the company go network marketing? Because the company can make more profits than being in retail distribution, and also it is giving away 70% of the profits back to distributors like me. Anybody can sell the world's best aloe vera to anybody. That's why this is the world's greatest opportunity to build health and also wealth. Ping me on this number to know in great detail on how you can also transform your life, your health, and also wealth.